I gotta change the battery.
If you haven't seen part 1 or 2, it's linked in the I and in the description. Go watch and come back. Thanks. Smiley face.
Okay, so now we have the parts in the program. They're at 100% in, no support. We don't need this to, we don't need to draw, put a skirt in, which is usually, if it's a small part, you would put a skirt in. That way you put plastic down before you print the part. That way it holds to the table better when you're doing that. So we don't need any of that. So now we're going to, and it's going to take about 2 hours to print this. What I do usually, we'll take there's an adapter, bigger for the computer, and then the little SD card fits in there, the micro SD. So we'll put that in there. Okay, we'll put it in there, and you look over here and it'll say save to removable drive. So you hit that, eject, and then once that's done, you'll take the little SD card again. You're gonna hit this button here. You're gonna go down to print from, and then there it is. There's the part. You hit that, and the machine is set up and ready to go. So now that's pretty much it. The machine does it by itself. You don't have to worry about it. You just got to make sure there's filament in there, and I'll show you guys how the machine prints. we just printed the part on the machine. So you see, this thing has to ride on this wheel so that it pushes this back. So let's put this in and see how it works. So we're gonna screw this little guy in. Gonna tighten it up a little bit. Now, closes all the way to protect your hands. And then when you go down, simple little part like this takes, last time I sent this out to get it fixed, it took like 2 weeks to get. So with this, fast. All right, by the way, don't go 3D printing your Harley Davidson handlebars. This has its limits. And be on I-95 and kill yourself. You can't only...
The highway. Some people don't have I-95.
All right, it took about 2 hours to 3D print. It took about 3 hours between the CAD program to the 3D print to here. About 3 hours to get it done. For this back part, I forgot to 3D print the hole that this sits in. So it came out nice, you know, it's perfect, but there's a little, it's not a hole, it's actually a square rectangular piece here that this needs to fit into it. So we're going to take care of that with this little guy.
Okay.
So because I'm too lazy to 3D print, to go back and 3D print it again. But we'll see how this works. If it doesn't, we'll 3D print it. So before we lose a finger, we'll try to put it right here. Doesn't need very much. I'm just gonna go in.
Hold on. Not yet. Wait.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm
Okay,
just
go ahead.
practicing. All right, I'm left-handed, so I'm going with my right hand. I'm holding it with my right hand. So this could be
a blooper.
no, this could be a fun video when I lose a nail or a finger or something. All right, so that's it. Made a little hole. Hopefully that'll work. I think it'll fit in there. Clean it up. Yep. Push the screw in there. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, blocked the hole. All right, let me go get a skinnier bit so we can make the hole. Yeah, let me make sure it works. It might work. Okay. Okay, that cleaned it out.
What did you use?
These are called Forstner bits, and they make nice round holes, different sizes. Like this is a quarter inch. That's a 3/8 inch, made by Ryobi. There it is. Did you get Luli?
No.
She's here to help us. Right, Lulu?
She's sniffing.
She wants a job as long as it involves food. Clean it a little bit, get rid of all or the goop. Oh no. Sprinklers. Watch out, Lulu. Watch out, Lulu. I don't know why I don't know why.
Where is she?
She left. She said, I'm out of here, suckers. I'm leaving you. All right, ready?
Yeah.
So there you go. Oop. Okay. So there it is. Quick and easy.
Wait, say that again.
I say quick. Okay. All right, there he goes. Quick and easy way to fix your saw. So let's see if it works.
Wow.
Thumbs up for me. No. All right, so there it is. All right, so it works really good. Quick. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more. And if you have any suggestions for videos, put them down in the comments.
And also
See ya.
make sure you 3D print your square so you don't.
No, I screwed that one up. So, all right, cool.